Hello and welcome back to 10-Minute DIYs. Today I am going to be showing you how to make some hand sanitizer step by step. Just sit back and relax and pull up your favorite snacks. All of the hand sanitizer bottles are all sold out in every store. I just couldn't believe it. This 2020 pandemic is just unbelievable. That's why I'm here today to show you how you can make your own hand sanitizer bottles so you can be safe from this COVID-19 virus. Let's get started, but first and foremost, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to be the first DIYers to watch our videos. Ingredients you will need are 5 tablespoons of water, 0.4 tablespoons vinegar, 2 tablespoons of nail polish remover, 1 teaspoon of your favorite essential oil, 1 glass bowl. Measurement spoons, a spoon. And a spray bottle. First, you have to put the 5 tablespoons of water in the bowl. Second, you have to add 4 tablespoons vinegar. Mix well. Third, you have to put the 2 tablespoons of nail polish remover in the bowl. Remember to mix well. Fourth, you have to add 1 teaspoon of your favorite essential oil. Remember to mix well. Now you are almost done. Just get your spray bottle and pour it into your bottle. Now you have no need to worry about going into the stores. Now you can just basically make your own hand sanitizer for cheap. If you guys enjoyed my video of me making the pandemic hand sanitizer, please hit that thumbs up and comment on how your hand sanitizer worked out. Good luck. And please wash your hands all the time so you don't get the coronavirus.